I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Search and select an action constant contact. Give here the client ID and the client secret. So please visit the constant contact application. New application. Give here a meaningful application name. Choose your refresh token type. Create. Please edit it. Provide a redirect URI, copy it from your Bid Integrations dashboard, and paste it on the constant contact site. Copy the client ID and paste it on the integration site. Generate client secret. Copy the client secret, close and save it. Now go to your integration site and paste it. Authorize it. Allow access. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose your desired source. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features you can use, including action and conditional logic for your requirements. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Now go to your constant contact site and navigate to all contacts. Here, you can see that constant contact has successfully received the data. Thanks for watching.